Got you focused, babe. Okay.
I ain't never had a big bath.
Y'all, this is what we do. We be chilling. We right. Hold on. My bad. We in our neighborhood, and we always come right here and park and fish just to play.
Looking for the big bass.
Looking for the big bass.
Big bass.
We just chilling. Getting our little sippy sip on and just chilling. Not too much. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Yep. We keep our bucket in here. We keep the pole. We got the chairs and other things. So, you know what I mean? Yeah, we chilling.